Hello and welcome to the MealConnect video series. I'm Sam with the MealConnect team here at Feeding America, and today we'll be going through using the bulk upload in your food bank account. Now, the bulk upload is a tool designed to help import multiple agencies or local donors into your account without having to create them one by one using the user interface. Again, this is for local donors and agencies only. Any national donors or blue receipt donors, you'll still need to request those from the MealConnect team, and we'll go ahead and get them set up for you. Now, you can see that there are a few different options for how to go about doing the bulk upload, starting here with which template I am going to download. So we've got one template for donors and one for agencies, and you would simply go ahead and click on them, download this template, fill it out, and import it. Once you have the information in the template, whether that's for donors or agencies, you'll go to Continue, and then you'll use these sliders to select which list you are going to upload. If it's a list of donors, you'll select donors, and you'll go ahead and drag and drop them into the field. We'll go ahead, I have prepared a list that we will drag and drop right into this field. And I'll now want to review them and finish them. So a couple things to consider about filling this out. One of which is that MealConnect groups donors under parent numbers. And you'll also notice that as you look at your MealConnect account, that those donors are grouped under the same parent name. So what that means is that if you've got two different donor locations that you would like to have rolled up under the same banner for ease of reporting, you'll want to make sure that they've got the same parent donor number and the same name. The differences then would be in things like store number, address, contact information, etc. You can also see as we head over here to the right that I don't have all of this information available. That's perfectly fine. The site requires certain information, things like the parent number and the location ID or the store number, but if you don't necessarily have all of this information available to you right now or ever, you can go ahead and upload your templates without. On the other hand, if you'd like to go ahead and fill some of this out while you are reviewing, you can do that as well. So we'll go ahead and we will complete upload. The site's going to take the data and parse it out, and it's going to use the information that I put in to build out my parent donor and my location records. Let's do that again with an agency list. So agency lists are similar. The difference between the two would be that unlike the parent, donor, and location hierarchy, agencies are their own unique IDs. There's really not a level for parent or individual location in MealConnect. So we'll go ahead and we'll drag and drop our list, and you can see that this is my agency list. All of the information is going to be here that I filled out in the template. One notice about the agency number: while that is the right nomenclature if you are using Primarius or Salesforce or Series 2009 or Series 4, if you're using the older versions of Series 1X or 2X, this will actually be what that version of Series calls the program number. So with that being said, you can see that I've got a single agency in this list, but I could certainly upload more. And I also can make updates or changes if, as I am reviewing this, I realize that I am missing some information from my template. I can go ahead and make any changes to the contact information. I can make changes to the assignments if I realize that I need to make updates or corrections to the agency name or number or the address. I've got availability to do so right here from this table. So we'll go ahead and hit complete upload, and just like before, the site's going to use that information to build my agency record and go ahead and create that information. Now, let's say that you've got this information in a different format, maybe from your inventory system or on some Excel sheet. What you might want to consider doing is, instead of filling out those templates, you can take the format that you've got and drag and drop it into this field, and the site will do its best to parse that information. So one of the things you can see is that where the category names that the site is looking for and the category information that your template or your file has are different, it's going to notify you and ask you to map that information to its available fields. Where they're the same, though, you can see that it's gone ahead and done that. It has realized that, for instance, state and province are the same thing. It's realized that the addresses are the same, and so it's able to actually parse quite a bit of this information correctly without any information updated or changed on your end. With that being said, all that I would need to do then is go ahead and map the remaining locations, the parent donor number and the store number, to this field. Once that's been done, I can go ahead and complete my upload, and the site will, just like we did the first time around, take that information and it'll build my locations from that info. Thanks very much.